Oh yeah, and it's in the bike. I'm at Musée Dräi Eechelen. But you know, I'm not actually sure what kind of museum it is. Wait a minute. Is that Ralph, the scientific assistant?
I'm Ralph, the scientific assistant.
What luck! It's Ralph, the scientific assistant! What is Musée Dräi Eechelen? What kinds of things are here?
It's fortress stuff.
What's your stuff?
Historical maps and models,
Historical. Oh, I love maps.
art and artifacts.
Art and artifacts. What do you mean by fortress stuff?
All of this.
Like this, Mo?
Yeah.
Really? All the walls.
Everything below ground, the tunnels and the nooks and crannies and everything that surrounds it.
And all the towers and... And this drawbridge?
Yep.
Wow. Let's go see the maps and models.
Yep.
I'm a total map nerd, and this place has lots of maps. This is an amazing map, amazingly detailed map. It goes all the way from Valenciennes, France, all the way over here to Trier, and then right here is Schlindermanderscheid.
This is a bronze model of the fortress in 1867.
So when we were talking outside, it was up here, right?
Yep.
And then when I was riding my bike, it was like, I was going like all around here, right?
Yes.
Cool. Can we go see some arts and artifacts?
Sure.
Right on.
This is a sculpture of the Virgin Mary and the baby Jesus, which stood above the archway of the main city gate. It was removed when the fortress was dismantled, and today there's a copy of it at the intersection of Avenue de la Porte Neuve, Newgate, and Boulevard Royal.
Yikes! Guillotine! What's the story with this?
Well, it came to Luxembourg in 1796 when Luxembourg became a part of revolutionary France. It stood right below the three towers.
And it was used?
Yeah, it was.
Yikes.
For about 20 years.
Wow. A lot of action here. Tell me what's going on.
So the French tried to take the city, which is held by the Spanish.
Where's this?
So the foreground is Limpotsberg.
The Schubert is here. Okay, so this must be Pfaffendahl?
Yeah.
There's the Bach, the Centre.
This is a copy, a 19th century copy, of an original painting from 1686.
So all this stuff that was in 1686, you can go out and see it today. You can see Pfaffendahl and you can see the Bach, the three towers. All right, well, thank you, scientific assistant. That was amazing.
Come back anytime.
I'll do that.
Except for Mondays.
Chin.
Your mother was a hamster and your father smelled of elderberries.